Alright, they're starting to cook me from underneath. As soon as I busted out the camera, they stopped. And they're doing it on my feet first. So I just wanted to document. And like I said, as soon as I grabbed the thermometer and the camera, the sensation started to go away, but now I'm feeling them again. The needle-like sensations underneath the skin, that kind of itchiness. Of course, the heating up. As you can see, this is abnormal. This is a hallmark. Hallmark of the microwave weapons.
In short 456 pages, I'm gonna know how to fly this thing. We don't need a giant comprehensive manual. How hard can it be?
Just before this, I heard someone slam the dryer downstairs. And even though they were heating up my feet and legs like last time, I decided to do it on the head just in case anybody were to say that I was not doing it correctly, or that it was in the wrong spot. Even though it will give a different type of temperature in that spot, it was still showing the up and down. Alright, and now it's starting to level out. See? There we go. And that is what we call physical evidence.
That's just my man stuff. I love man stuff.
Never solves a problem, Bridge. I'm not saying we have to use them.
Just showing that it's steady now. There we go.